Hi, welcome to the course of creating a website using HTML and CSS. So as we know that we are working with images, so in this video actually we reached here, and from here onward we shall move onward from here, right? So actually this is the final output that we expect, and till now we are here. So in this video we are actually playing with the logo, sign up, and the titles, right? So now we have this HTML that already created. So in the next in the style.css we are going to work here, right? So as you have seen that around this image, means top, left and right, we have some space. So in order to remove that space, firstly we have to create the HTML, firstly we have to write star and then margin 0 pixel, right? So in this way you can see that the space is not removed. Why? Sorry, we haven't linked yet, right? Firstly we have to link style.css, and now this would affect, right? You can see right now. And now we have to adjust the logo first. So where is logo? This is logo, and here we go, dot logo. And firstly I think that in the logo top should be 5 pixel. So if the top would be 5 pixel, then you can see that the logo is underneath the hood up till now. Sorry, so before that we have to write the CSS for heading. And for this heading, this is actually heading, and we have to give some position to it, because we have to give the absolute position to logo. So we have to give the position relative to the heading. Because of that we could able to move up and down. So now you can write here position absolute, right? So now you would see the change. So you can see that the logo is on the top, right? And similarly we have to adjust the titles, heading title. So here is heading title and sign up as well. So firstly sign up, so we have to keep it firstly position absolute, and then from top this should be 5 pixel. I think this is good enough, and from right it should be 5 pixel as well. So now if you will see, you will find out that sign up is at the right top corner. And now we shall, here is the sign up, right? So now we have to give some color to sign up, which should be white, and background color should be, I think, black, and then we have to give some padding to it. Padding, I think it should be around 10 pixel, and you will find out somewhat like this, right? And text decoration should be none, so that underline would be removed. And we have to give some border, so the border should be of 3 pixel and solid and white color, right? So you will find out something like this, right? And actually that background color is yellow, right? So now we have to give some border radius, and which should be around 10 pixel. And now if you will see the change, this is something like this, right? But we are not able to see the border. Sorry, this was border radius, right? So this is exactly what we are expecting, right? This is same as that of this. And now we have to set some width for this logo. We have to give some height to logo, and this should be around 80 pixel. So now if you will see, you will find some change, and I think top should be of 10 pixel and left should also be of 10 pixel in order to see the clarity, right? So now this is looking good. And now we have to move the titles. So these are the titles. Heading title. Firstly, we have heading title. So the heading title width should be 100%. And one more thing is its position should be absolute, and from top I think it should be 100 pixel. And now if you will see some change, yes, of course, this is over here, right? And now what we are going to do is we are going to give some color to it, and that would be of separate. Actually we have separate titles, title 1 and title 2, so we have to give separate CSS dot title 1, and here we shall write color white and font size around 80 pixel. And one more thing is text align center. So now if you will see, you will find out that this is something like this, right? But here you will find out that this is next to the previous title. So how it would be on the next line? So we have to write here display block, right? So by writing display block, you will find out that this is on the next line. So this, to give the second title, the CSS to the second title, we would have same thing, color white. Sorry, color is not white, I think. Yes, color white, because but background is color white. This font size should be around 20 pixel is enough. And then after we have background, and background should be red as you have seen. And padding should be somewhat like 5 pixel. So now let's see. Yes, this is exactly what we were expecting. And text align center. And one more thing that we left behind is display block. So now you will find the exact which you were expecting. So you can see that this is here and this is here. So now we have to give some font family. So the font family should be this should be impact, right? And here we have to write, sorry, font family should be sans serif. So now you will see that this is something like this, right? So now we also have to give this title as some border 3 pixel, solid and black color. So now you will see somewhat beautiful, right? So here we reached over here. So the pending task we shall do in the next video, because I think this video would be too much long. So I think that in the next video we would do the pending task. In the next video we would be learning about another cool concept. So before ending this video, I request you to support my channel by subscribing it if not subscribed yet. Just subscribe it on clicking at subscribe button right bottom of your screen. Like this video, share this video to your friends. For any query, please feel free to ask below in the comment. I appreciate your feedback if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.